Welcome to 1GBits. In this guide, we'll show you how to get CyberPanel up and running on your Linux server. Right from the start, it's good to know that CyberPanel is a modern lightweight control panel built for managing hosts, websites, and servers, all powered by OpenLiteSpeed. Although it is super easy to use, don't let that fool you. It's made for pros, and once you dive in, you're in for a pleasant surprise. Stick with us. We'll show you why it's worth it. First, run the PuTTY software. Enter the server's IP address in the host name field, and then click Open. That's it, you are connected. Then enter the root username in the window that opens and press Enter. Now, type the password. For security reasons, nothing will appear on the screen as you type. This is normal. To update the package list and upgrade the system, enter the following command. The -y command causes the verifications to be performed automatically. You will see that the operating system updates software packages and even the system kernel. In this section, you are asked to keep the current version if it is installed correctly. So select the default option. Keep the local version currently installed. The system announces that a new version of the kernel is available. Continue by clicking OK. In the second window, just click OK again and go with the default option. Next, when the update is completed, start installing CyberPanel with this command. I've also put all these commands in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste them. Enter number 1 here. Select Install CyberPanel with OpenLiteSpeed by entering number 1 again. Enter Y to select full installation. Now, type N to install local MySQL, or just simply press Enter to select default option. Press Enter to continue with latest version. I'm choosing the default password here, but you can either generate a random one or set your own custom password. I'm choosing Y to install both memcached and Redis along with their PHP extensions. Next, it's asking if we want to enable the Watchdog service for monitoring web and database services. This will automatically run after installation and reboot. I'll confirm with a capital Y to proceed. Installation will take about 15 minutes. No action is required. Please be patient while the process completes. Now it asks if you'd like to restart your server. Don't hit Y just yet. Make sure to copy or write down your login information shown above. Once you've done that, type Y and press Enter to restart the server. The kernel is the heart of the Linux operating system. When a new version is installed, the system must be restarted once for it to use that version, because the kernel cannot be replaced while the system is running. At this point, after rebooting the system, it is time to make sure the server is available. For this purpose, type this command in Windows command prompt. I've blurred out my server IP for privacy. In your case, make sure to type your own server's IP address here instead. It often happens that the connection gets interrupted. However, don't worry. Right-click in the PuTTY window and select the Restart Session option. You will see that you are logged back into the root environment. Enter the root username and password again. Okay, everything is done correctly, and it is time to log in. Open the browser and enter the server IP address. You should see the login page now. Just enter the username and password you noted down earlier, and you'll be in the panel. Finally, you will enter the server dashboard environment, from which you can manage the server settings. Congratulations, my friend. With this tutorial, you have successfully installed, updated, and launched your server. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us and see the latest tutorials on 1GBits.